All right, I'm going to document every stop and take you guys along on my trip to Tennessee, Loretta Lynn's Ranch, the Tennessee Motorcycle Music Revival. Man. All right, first stop, Love's Truck Stop, Anna, Texas. Fucking beautiful out. Man, cheddar peppers and chocolate milk for a snack on the side of the road. Man, that's a cool spot. Funny story, Buffalo Valley, handy stop, stopping to get gas. Of course, because I was just at the Sacred Grounds 2, TOO, and of course I didn't stop and get gas. I just stopped and got a snack, and then just took off at the Talamina Parkway. Scenic. You'll see. I do have a video about it on YouTube already where James and I rip butt. You can find that right here. One of my favorites, Panorama rest stop. Of course I go into panic mode as soon as I have an issue, forget to record, and of course my phone never works well on the bike. For some reason it doesn't charge. Even when I shut everything off, it doesn't work. So any recommendations would be cool. But issue, so this gal being a top breather, it always has, there's a little wet there, and it was on top of it was on the hose that was hooked on. And then I noticed it was there. I was like, oh, don't tell me the lifter blocks are loose. No, lifter blocks weren't loose. No, the nose cone was loose. Yeah, so. But I mean, hell, you couldn't ask for a better day. Oh man, there's your sunrise. Yeah. That's what getting up, sleeping outdoors will get you. Here's my spot. Cool little rad little setup. There's actually water. Yeah. Kind of gas station. All right now. All right, so it does seem like we've got the leak issue figured out. At least it's tight enough that it's not leaking now. So, oh, Mama's calling. All right. So here I am fighting with this damn phone again. I mean, even with nothing on, it doesn't charge. It actually loses charge. Plugged in. Am I powering my bike with my phone? All right, then. The calm before the storm.
You got a big, better girl. I know.
You should ask me 2 hours ago.
I did not want to get away. Incredible custom partner. He recently acquired Morris Magneto, which he is running on his bike. It is not the mag, is it?
It's not the Magneto.
Not the Magneto, dude. Eric, thank you for coming out. I appreciate you. Nick, thanks for hooking these guys up with something. You're lucky your partner didn't make it further because you were not
I know. I gave
in that river, dude.
I know.
You can just,
I'm getting
Just all
away.
fucking gear, huh?
you're all done, right?
Yeah,
Yes, you can just have it.
Dan,
they didn't make it far enough.
Dan, get around here for a picture.
Come on, let's take it.
Oh, Nick! Whoa!
something else. So I am a pilot here in Buffalo, about to take off at 13:40. Gonna boogie woogie, man. I'm gonna turn and burn and then 40 all the way to Little Rock. I'll switch over to 30. Head through Texarkana and get my ass home. Just had some fried chicken at KFC on the way home. Where the hell am I? Almost Texarkana, but already through Arkadelphia. Somewhere in there. So it's beautiful. Get sprinkled on a little bit. I think it'll be alright. Alright. Alright, 6 gas stops so far, and I am 25 miles from Greenville on 30 headed west.